We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. After reading this ourselves, our staff was really excited about the great job we've done. We strive to give and provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in providing the best customer service there is. But don't take their word for it. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Thank you for dropping in today. We're looking forward to doing business with you. We are only one call away from serving you.